Wow, that was a struggle. Hey, I'm still learning though. This is one of the other free kits, if you checked out my last Maniology post where I was talking about that. And I just wanted to show you real quickly what's in it. And then I'm going to let you watch me fail at nail stamping. Does that sound like fun? All right, hey, it'll be fun. I know my lights are causing a problem with these stamping plates again, but I do have photos at the end so that you can see them a bit better. And quick note, these will have a blue film on them that you need to remove before using. I know that some people aren't aware of this, and I want to let you know what to look for. Now, here's how your little scraper comes in a plastic sleeve. You do have two polishes again, Restless Dahlia, a really pretty peach, which is what's on my nails, and Teardrop, which is the one I will be doing the stamping with. Here's your little jelly stamper. I washed that off with dishwashing liquid before stamping. And right here, I'm just going to put another coat of polish on real quick to get a solid color. Disclaimer, my nails do look a wreck. Just ignore them, okay? So for lack of creativity, I'm just going to copy what's on the box. I've already got my middle finger done, but for the rest of it, I'm going to copy what's on the box. Yeah, and we're going to start with my pointer finger. This is the design. So when I pull out my stamping plates, it's right there. And what I'm going to do is get this little lint-free wipe and I'm going to put behind that because when I swipe my card, it's going to put polish back there and I don't want it on my table. Now we got to pull that jelly stamper out and make sure it's been washed with dishwashing liquid because that's what they recommend to make sure you don't have anything on it. You know, get it ready to go. I'm going to get my card, set it close by, as well as my stamper, because you do need to work in a pretty timely manner. I've found and heard that that is pretty important. So I'm just covering the design with polish, and then I'm going to take my scraper and scrape up. And I can already see that's nope, not going to work. Hey, like I said, I'm new at this. If any of you out there stamp and you have tips, please let me know. You can pick up the stamper and look here. That's not going to work. I'm going to take acetone to clean off the plate. Do not use acetone on this stamper. It will basically eat it up. So I don't have tape, which is what they recommend, or lint roller. What I do use here, since I've been doing this, is just some alcohol and a little brush. And as you see, it'll just like roll right off. So here we go with another try. We almost got it, but not quite. You can see there's some spots missing there. And we finally have success! Yay! There's one little dot there. I'm going to take my brush and swoop that off so it doesn't get stuck on my nail. Now, after it's on the stamper, you can kind of pretty much take your time. Look at that. You can see through this stamper. I love that because a lot of them aren't like that. I haven't been doing stamping long enough to even have experience with stampers like that, but, you know, I watch people, and apparently this is pretty cool. You can see through it. You can see where you're putting the placement on your nail. I'm cleaning up with alcohol around it, and as you saw, that came off so easily. Stamping polish is a whole other thing. It's really cool. And I just went ahead and got the one for my ring finger, stamping that on now. And one of the little lines like came up. Somehow I got lucky enough. I was managed to save that. Don't know how. I pulled that down, put it back in place. Hey, but it worked. We're moving on. I'm just going to clean it up again, top coat, and then do my pinky, which I'm going to let you watch. This one worked pretty quickly. I got it in one go. The stamp itself on my nail doesn't look perfect. It could be better for sure, but you know, I don't know. And there we go. I think they've quit running these free kits, but I do have two different deals that I will put in the description as well as the pinned comment. So just look for that. And if you made it all the way through to here, please give this video a like. Subscribe while you're at it. I mean, why not, right? Also, my latest video is this rose quartz nail that's super easy, so check it out if you're interested.